$1,500 in all of your credit cards combined.
Yeah! Oh, he hung up. Dang it. Alright, so I'm about to drive manual for the first time in the four-wheel drive pickup truck. Got it. So should I try to get to the gas station?
Yeah, you can try.
It's a 2-lane back that way. Alright, back on the road. We are on the road actually. Manual car, first time. This is scary. It's like driving for the first time once again, guys. You know, it would make me feel a lot better if I had the moonroof to look at. Just keep calm, and yeah. Alright, coming to a stop here. Lifted forward, look at it. Look at that truck, man. Tinted windows. Alright, back to first. No! I didn't even check, I just started going. Oh. We did it. In third gear now. I've never actually made it this high. To second was something new to me. It was a whole new experience. Now I'm in third and this is crazy. But we got it. And check out this track I'm on. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. The whole building wasn't up there before. That's pretty new as well. I liked it when it was woods. Do you ever really go to 4th or 5th?
Yes.
Forced gas station approach with a manual transmission. Alright guys, about to fill her up. Damn, that Silverado is on fire. That thing is specced out. And rolling shot. Hannah was actually going to drive, but now I'm going to drive, and I'm going to drive on the highway for the first time with a manual transmission, and I'm probably not going to make it out alive. Thank you. Am I in it?
Yeah.
Turn that off. Alright, we're finally on the highway. I'm in 4th gear now. I've never made it this far. I need to do a G56 swap on the Cummins so I can have a manual tran. What do you think? Alright. Man, this is as high as it's, well, I guess there's 5th. Do I ever go to 5th?
Yep.
No?
Yes. You can go to 5th right now.
Do I need to?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. So is that it?
Yep.
5th gear, ladies and gentlemen. 10-speed ZL1 Camaro. Alright, so we're on the highway now, still in 5th gear, and we're making it to a new destination pretty south of where I live. And yeah, so we got to get there pretty quick. Manual transmission is pretty awesome, so let me know if I should switch to the G56. It's really cool to have in the Cummins because it's like... Alright, so the thing about the guy that was on the phone is that he's probably sitting in one of those talk rooms, the chat rooms, or tech support, like whatever those rooms that you're just sitting there with a headset on. And I yelled at the top of my lungs almost, so that probably blew out his eardrum. Dodge Ram. I don't think it's Cummins. Sounds like a V8. Alright guys, so we just ran into that Walgreens right there. Pretty cool place, pretty weird people, and I went to get one of these Kickstart. We actually both got one Kickstart Mountain Dews, and if you look at it, it's very weird down here. It says partially produced with genetic engineering. I probably won't come out the same person after I drink one of these, but we'll see. Let's go. Back in the manual adventure. Let's go. That Ram out there, guys. Oh, he's cutting us. All right, we gotta do this. We gotta do this. We gotta do this. Go to first, and now oh, fuck off. All right, here we go. 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 Got it. We're good. Good old 4, man. The thing is nice. Alright, about to crack it open. Mountain Dew, about to change my genetics. Alright, so guys, it honestly amazes me that I'm driving manual here on a main road. Look at this. I am on a main oh, here, hold it. Turn green. I don't know what to do here.
First go.
No!
Turn the key.
Oh no!
Go ahead.
No! Go in the other lane. They're literally right behind me. Alright.
Clutch and gas. There you go.
Alright, we're good. We just made it to Venice, Italy. Check it out, guys. It looks exactly like it in front of us, and I'm gonna probably stall here. Yeah, gonna be sketchy. Shift to your let's see if I can do this once again. Give it a second here. Give it a second here. All right, my time to go is now. I did it. All right.
Second.
So how about that?
Good job.
There we go, guys. Lifted Chevy. Check it on out. Looks like a nice gasser. 1500 HD. You don't see those. Built Ford, tough. That horse. 2 of them. Yeah, guys. As you can see, we're in the middle of nothing. We're about 6 miles from Maryland.
Downshift.
Second.
Go. Wait, stop.
That's my truck right there. It looks like they bedlined the bottom part of it. Is it a Cummins? Can't tell. Oh, you can drive and you can park off to the side and hike off to wherever that is. That is awesome. Where is this? Holy crap. Like, it would be cool to explore the rocks and stuff. Oh my gosh, where is this place? Oh, look at that. What if you hiked to the top of there and just looked off of there? Oh my gosh, this place is so cool. Look how lifted. Look at the tires on that Chevy. These tires are huge. It's probably 13.5. 1350. One of these houses I remember, I thought it was an amazing house, and I think I got it on video a long time ago. It might be this one right here. Check it out. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? What do you think of that one?
This is pretty cool.
That was ideal, pretty ideal. Even though it is close to this road, it's pretty far out. Look at that. You can see the whole river from here.
In a quarter mile, you will arrive at your destination.
Alright. Made it to the parking lot back there, but we're heading on the road now, and it's freezing outside. I don't think you're allowed to be here right now. I think it may be closed. We're the only car there. It didn't even park right, but it's whatever because it's a manual. I think they'll notice and have some sympathy, right? So I think we'll check out the view, and it'll be really cool. Hopefully go on the trail a little bit. Who knows? It's gonna be crazy, man. Alright, so let's get there now. Yeah! Oh my gosh, look at that view here. We just made it to the view. Look at that. Oh! Look at that! Holy crap! Oh my god. This is so cool and worth it. Look at that field up there. I wonder if you can probably see here from there. It is so cold up here. It is so high. We are very high in the air and it's freezing. Oh my god. So I guess we're gonna check out the area, see if there's anything around, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is what I came here for. I came here a long time ago before, but it's been a long time. I never went to this place in this cold of weather though. It was pretty warm out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so I can see you next video. Until then, take it easy. So we really shouldn't be going over on this side, but we are, so yeah. Yeah. Look at that view, guys. Alright, let's go. I don't know if there's really going to be a purpose to this, but I'll keep you guys updated, so stay tuned. Yeah. So I didn't see anything down there, so I came back up and man, this place is sick. Look at that view. The water looks blue. Probably a lot of mineral deposits. Look at that, man. See the woods and everything. Just spotted some cool looking rocks. You can probably get a good view of what the water looks like down that way. Sunset. But yeah, we're gonna head down there and see what's up. Blue waters, man. We just made it to the tropics, even though it's about 20 degrees. Maybe less at this point with the wind, but damn, this place is cool.